XTI Aerospace reiterated readiness for the reopening of pre-sales for their TriFan 600 later this year, with development efforts reported to be on track. Pre-sales are said to cater to fleet operators, business owners, EMS operators, though any other potential customers can reserve their spot for future deliveries of the aircraft. Perhaps the most anticipated development ahead is the planned first flight of the Sparrow subscale model, an unmanned 1-15 scale aircraft that will continue validating vertical and transitional flight dynamics with its rotating ducted fans. XTI Aerospace plans to achieve several milestones in Q2 2025, including selecting an engine and drivetrain supplier for the TriFan 600, starting a noise assessment with Continuum Dynamics, conducting FAA technical familiarization briefings, and performing the first flight of the Sparrow subscale model. Progress in these areas will contribute to the aircraft's certification process and help validate its latest aerodynamic configuration. Dave Ambrose, VP of Engineering at XTI, stated that the engineering milestones for this quarter demonstrate a clear path towards a mature aerodynamic design that can provide game-changing aviation capabilities. He believes that their subscale testing, supplier alignment, and engagement with the FAA are strengthening technical validation and compressing time to market. In addition, XTI is preparing to launch its next subscale model, the Kestrel, later in 2025, which will further evaluate aerodynamics, flight controls, and performance characteristics, with an emphasis on flight control laws. Chairman and CEO Scott Pomeroy believes that their consistent delivery on technical commitments and programmatic milestones will reduce risk, accelerate time to market, and generate long-term value for shareholders while delivering real impact for customers. For more on XTI Aerospace and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.